Hey guys, what's up guys? And today this video we are playing Pokemon Brick Bronze. And I might have reached my old account. So I'm pretty sad. Anyways, so I'm gonna go. Anyway, I'm gonna check on if it's sorry about that. I just need to check. I did not do anything. I'm still playing this fidget toy. Okay, I almost broke my hand. That should be banned anyway. Anyways, oh wait. Let's actually start this. I can't believe today has finally come. Today, I get my first Pokemon from the Pokemon Professor. Oh, I have always dreamed of setting up on my own adventure with Pokemon by my side. There was so many Pokemon in this world, blah, 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 blah. I'm not reading. Oh yeah, if you didn't know this, okay, this is where I store my alarm clocks. As you can see, I destroyed this right here somewhere. I got my books where I stop. Actually, let's move on. Let's go somewhere else. This is my kitchen. My kitchen. All my stuff. Okay, I'm gonna do until I get my first Pokemon. I'm getting my Pokemon now. So yeah. Wish we could jump in this game. It's so annoying. It's a point of adventure if you can't even jump. What's the point of it? I know, right? Hello, I don't really care. Just get that out of here. Oh yeah, I don't want to spoil some stuff because I have played this game a lot. I love it. Okay. Huh? Wait. What? 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 Wait, is this the real one? Wait. Is this an accident? I want Charmander! And plus they're all good! Is this even real? You're probably gonna be mad with this, but I want Pikachu. Huh? I want Pikachu. But I don't want Blastoise. But I'm a fire type guy. You're not screw it. Pikachu, you're mine. What? What the? There's a flipping legendary. I'm not cheating. Guys, I'm not cheating this game. I'm not. I'm just not. Is it really Pikachu? If it is, I'm gonna crack up. Okay, this is. Let me stop myself. Is this? No! My Pikachu! Pikachu! My poor Pikachu! Tail up this time. Oh! Death! Run! Oh, Pikachu! Oh! One more Thundershock! Thundershock! This is this even Pokemon? Come on, Pikachu, you can do it! Pikachu! Take me! Is this even allowed? This is not fair! How come he gets a way OP Pokemon? And I pick. What do I do? Hit me! I will growl at you! Is this even allowed? Okay. I like this kind of Pokemon. I kind of like it. I kind of like it. I hate it. I hate it. I hate it. What the flip? What? If I had like a Charmin eat that Eevee. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna catch some Pokemon. I don't really care. My Pikachu's weak. Why he healed my Pikachu. Yay! My Pikachu! Oh yes, sir. Oh god, I'm gonna get. No, please, no, 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 no. Okay, okay. This is just messed up. Is this even Pokemon? Literally. This is. Okay, let's see what Pokemon there is. Of course, they're OP Pokemon. This is just messed up. Thundershock and Pikachu. To see it. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna have an OP start. I'm gonna have an OP. I'm a legend. I'm a legend. Don't tackle me! Don't attack me! Dare you? I'm not even upgrading. Pikachu, it's already good. Pikachu's already good. Oh, this might actually finish him off. Oh. Okay, now I'm gonna try. Catch him! Okay. What? Gah. I just wasted my Pokeball. Please don't kill this guy like him. Come on, Pikachu! That wasn't not fair. I want Pikachu. I want a Pokemon me. I'm not quitting until I get a flipping Pokemon. Come on. Yeah, that's my boy. Oh, my boy's about to go down. Well, Thundershock. Okay, guys, I'm gonna give you a Update later. Update, huge update. I got all those Pokemon, but there was sad. I found Rayquaza. I forgot the Pokemon, but at Sun and Moon, like Pokemon that gave Ash the thing, the wrist thing. I don't know Pokemon that much anymore, but I got Emerald Rayquaza and a Slakoth. I don't know. I forgot his name. I got Pikachu, Hitmonchan, Leviston. I don't really know what. This is my team right now, and I kind of like it. No offense. Okay, let's battle all these people. Let's probably go. Oh, I have the best Pokemon for this. He has only one fire attack, but it's worth it because it's super effective. So, this is gonna be good. Ember, let's Ember this joke. Oh my god, this is gonna be annoying. I swear, if he protects this. Stop protecting yourself, fun. This is annoying. Oh. I need, now it. Really? 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 Now it hits. Oh my god. I need a faster Pokemon. I need a faster Pokemon. Because this guy's. Keep on protecting yourself. Yeah, you better go attack down, even though he does not even. Now he attacks. Oh, I'm clicking attacks now. To go for. Yeah. I got this bad. Stop trying to attack. Okay. Pure shoot. Okay, did absolutely nothing. Well, I can. Shoot. Okay, I got that Pokemon out of my way because he's annoying. Like myself, I just roasted myself. Anyways, actually, I don't know what. Okay, this might be rough, but okay, he's probably gonna have a solid hit. So let's do what I can. Oh, this guy's gonna harm himself. Let's use Pre-Shoot because it's probably gonna hit first. Oh yeah, I knew it. Wait, electric. Wait, is this guy? Wait, I'm gonna switch to Pikachu. I'm gonna switch to Pikachu because I think he's weak to it because of electric types. It said something about electric, so maybe this will work. I'm gonna go with this move. Ah! Oh, my chair. Is that broken? I almost broke my chair. Okay, let's play nice. Okay, I'm so sorry guys. My time is about to run out. And if you enjoyed this video, subscribe. And this is a long video, and to me it is. Anyway, if you like it, please subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!